Looking for the best heat guns? In this video we look at some of the top 3 heat guns on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Genesis Focus Dual Temperature Heat Gun Kit. Pros: 1500 watt high setting generates enormous heat. Nozzle attachments are better quality than expected in a heat gun for below $30. Precise directional nozzle is a big help with tasks from paint removal to shaping plastic. Cons: its lifespan can be fairly short, but for occasional tasks, users are happy with this unit. Takes a few minutes to reach highest heat setting. Bottom line: this bargain heat gun offers consistently high temperatures and decent control for detailed work. At number 2. Black & Decker Dual Temperature Heat Gun. Pros: lower temperature works well for shrink wrapping and shaping plastic. Kickstand rest and hanging attachment are appreciated. Long lived for a bargain heat gun. Cons: power cord is somewhat stiff, making it harder to move gun around in tight spots. Bottom line: with only 2 temperature settings, this isn't as versatile as other heat guns, but its life expectancy is longer than others in its price range. At number 1. Porter Cable 1500 watt heat gun. Pros: good ergonomics and reliable performance. 1-year warranty. Flat back of the heat gun acts as an upright stand to keep the hot nozzle away from surfaces. Operates fairly quietly. Variable heat settings in addition to low or high settings. Users overall liked its lightweight and longer power cord. Cons: many users would prefer a kickstand rest rather than the flat back rest, so the unit is easier to pick up. Low heat setting is too low for most users, more like a hairdryer. Rear filters are hard to clean. Temperature control dial is cumbersome. Bottom line: lightweight, easy to use and reliable, this heat gun keeps most users, from occasional hobbyists to daily auto tint installers, happy with its consistent performance. Most would like some additional ergonomic touches, but it stands as one of the best heat guns for its price point. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.